Hello guys, this is X-Pamuji. In this tutorial, I will show to you how to make halftone effect in Photoshop from like this to become like this. The material link in the description below. It is safe to download because the link from Google Drive. Pay attention to the hint of the shortcut at the bottom of the screen. First, I open my file and then I click twice to unlock. I name it image and then I convert to smart object so I can edit later. And then I'll go to filter, pixelate, color halftone. I use 24, max radius, and channel 1. Okay, if I use channel about 11, it will become like this. Cool. And then I will I go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. I use 3. And then to make it contrast, I go to level. I press Ctrl L, level. Here's the level. And then I make it contrast. And then I give color. I go to image adjustment, gradient matte. This is red and this is white. So this is for the background, this is for the image. I click twice and I go here. I think I will use orange. I use this. Then okay. And then to give texture, I go to filter, gallery. I use texturizer, and then the texturizer I use sandstone. You can arrange the setting here. To arrange the setting of the texture, I think this is good already. Okay, I have another image, this one and this one. I click twice to the smart object. Arrange the window. I drag this image to this image and this image to this image, and then I close this one. So if I save this one, arrange, and then I save one, this one change. Okay, you can change the color, the gradient matte. Click here and you can choose this color or this color, this one, pink one, and I think the texture too much, so I reduce. Okay, okay guys, this is already good for me. Please subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you for watching.